Welcome to my channel. Today my CapCut lesson is to convert a normal HD video to a 4K Ultra HD video. If you follow my lesson, you also can get the same output using the same video that I use for this practical. I have inserted the video download link in the video description below the video. Okay, let's come to the lesson. First, open CapCut PC and import your normal HD video which has been downloaded using my link. Now drag the video to the timeline. First of all, we have to do some color changings for this video. Really, color changing or color grading is a very important part of video editing. With years of practice, you can catch the correct color combination for a video. Don't worry, very soon I'm going to make a separate video series for color grading in CapCut PC. For now, you can use the same color changes like I do for this video. Now let us select this video like this. Now go to color adjustment tab at the top right corner here. There you will see basic tab, HSL tab and curves tab. First I will do some changes in basic tab. In the basic tab you will find all basic color changing options like temperature, tint, saturation, exposure and these things. I will do these color changes for this video. Alright, let's see the difference of video after doing some color gradings. This is before color grading. After color grading, you can see there's a big difference here. Now we are going to do the most important part of this lesson, which is changing export settings. Click on export button here and get this window. The current resolution is 1080, you can see under video. First I change it to 4K resolution. The next option is bitrate. What is bitrate? Bitrate refers the amount of information per second. For this video I will select the higher bitrate for the best quality. The next option is codec. Codec is about compression and decompression of a digital video. I will explain about all these options in a separated video. For this video, I will select H.264 codec, which is commonly used one. As the video format, I select MP4 format here. For the frame rate, I select 24 FPS. which is industry standard value. If your video consists with busy scenes with lot of motions like sports and video games, you can use 60 fps as the frame rate. These are the settings to convert a normal HD video to a 4K Ultra HD video using CapCut PC. You can export this video and see the difference with your downloaded one. Right, this is the end of today's tutorial. Thank you very much for watching my lessons in my channel. If you find these lessons are important for your video editing task or your knowledge, please subscribe my channel and like the videos and comment below the videos if you have any problem. I will create separated video for your problems. Thank you.